In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful, respected students, followers and friends, I warm welcome you in our online academy, the ESL Academy by Sir Rana. You can join us if you wish. Our contact number is 0305 6319464. Today we shall discuss what is Great World War I. We shall discuss the war to end all wars, global war. So we shall discuss what is World War I. Once we discuss World War I, we'll be able to understand what is Second World War. As you requested and a lot of other students, they requested me, I should prepare video related to World War I because this World War I is affecting our literature, our writers, whether they are poets, writer, novelist, dramatist or playwright. They are affecting their life. Mostly writers, they write after the impact of World War I and World War II. They are skeptic. They are doubtful. They are afraid. We feel in their writing, whether T.S. Eliot, Huxley and other prose writer, philosopher like these writers, they are affected. We see the reflection in their writing. And mostly we discuss that writer is affected by World War I and World War II, and after effect the writer is using symbolism, the writer is talking in gesture and he's using satirical language, he's tiring on people, their society, their way of writing, even on technology, and he's comparing the modern technological weapons because they are destroying, they are preparing the scientists, they are criticizing on scientists like this, we see. And today we shall discuss what happened in World War I. First World War, it started in 28 July 1914 and it ended 1918. 11 November 1918 it ended. And you know that the Second World War, it was started in 1940 and ended in 1945. When these World Wars started, a lot of people, they were thinking that we've got modern technology, latest weapon, machine guns and tanks, cannons, many modern weapons. They were thinking that World War will end within few days, month or just days. But what happened? It prolonged many years. It affected, it destroyed people and it took many people's lives. In World War I, that started in 1914 and ended in 1918, there were a lot of countries there. Almost it encapsulated 28 countries. No one was thinking that little incident will encapsulate all, you could say, modern and big countries. No one was thinking like that, but it happened. 1,70,00,000 people, they were died. So almost 17 million deaths. So 11 million combatants, 6 million civilians, 20 million wounded, one of the deadliest conflict. If you got a paper, please take a paper. I just want to make you write down something. So just write down, I want to make you write down something. Please take a paper and write World War I, 28 July 1914, 11 November 1918. 28 जुलाई 1914 और 11 नवंबर 1918 को ये एंडेड हुई है। 11 मिलियन जो कॉम्बेटेंट्स थे, जो फाइटर्स थे, वो इसमें मौजूद थे। 6 मिलियन सिविलियन थे, 20 मिलियन वाउंडेड हुए, और सबसे ये डेडलीस्ट वार थी। इसमें दो जो मेन थे, प्लीज राइट, अलाइड पावर एंड सेंट्रल पावर। अलाइड पावर एंड सेंट्रल पावर। एक साइड पे लिखेंगी, लेफ्ट साइड पे आप लिखेंगी अलाइड पावर, और राइट साइड पे आप लिखोगे सेंट्रल पावर। अलाइड पावर में कौन कौन से हैं, सेंट्रल पावर में कौन कौन से हैं, उनके मकासद क्या हैं, व्हाट डू दे वांट इन वर्ल्ड वॉर वन, क्या वो अपने मकासद अचीव करना चाहते हैं, हम उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। वी शैल डिस्कस देयर एक्टिविटी, देयर बेनिफिट दे आर अटैच विद वर्ल्ड वॉर वन, एंड व्हाई आर दे फाइटिंग। दे वर very intelligent people, they were getting development, they were getting technological development, they've got latest weapon, they've got modern literature, they've got modern writers, philosophers, psychologists, writers, novelists, dramatists and scientists. They were having all with them. And you know that when these 1 crore 70 lakh people, इतने लोगों की डेथ हुई, करोड़ों लोग इंजर्ड हुए, वॉन्डेड हुए, उसके अलावा अरबों का नुकसान हुआ, कितना लिटरेचर ज़ाया हुआ, कितने लोगों की डेथ हुई। अगर वर्ल्ड वॉर वन ना होती तो लिटरेचर का कोई और साइड होती, लिटरेचर की राइटर्स किसी और साइड पे लिखते, डेवलपमेंट किसी और डायरेक्शन पे होती। बहुत सारे जो कंट्रीज थे इस लपेट में आ गए थे, कितना उन्होंने नुकसान किया, जानी माली और टाइम का, और कितना नुकसान हुआ, उससे वर्ल्ड हमारी कितनी अफेक्ट हुई, वो सब कुछ हमें लिटरेचर में मिलता है। ठीक है, 2 पावर्स थी उस वक्त, एक अलाइड पावर थी और एक सेंट्रल पावर थी। अलाइड पावर में कौन कौन से कंट्रीज थे, रशिया, लिखें रशिया, फ्रांस, ब्रिटेन। रशिया आपको पता है कि एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत था, रशिया के पास बहुत सारे कंट्रीज को उसने